Hello, sir, madam, welcome to the Watching Dragon. You have a reservation?
Yeah, 2 for Davis, thanks.
Ah, very good. Come this way, I get a menu. Here we are. Sit down, please. Very good. Okay, specials today are Sesame Street Duck. It comes with choice chunks of undernourished fowl, pelted with water chestnuts and stir-fried in a sizzling wok with popular Muppets. Or we have Tiananmen Square beef. This oppressed young beef is severely battered and crushed with bamboo shoots and brutally smothered on the big screen as you watch from your table.
I think I'll just have the Happy Bacteria Cup, followed by the No Fun Noodles and the Agnew Yum. What about you, dear? I think I'll just have the 10 ingredients water, some glum noodles, and the shrimp with alibi, thanks.
Ah, interesting choice. Very good. Thank you. Enjoy the meal and see the cashier on your way out. He will shave at your request. May you have a digestible meal. Ah, welcome to the Belching Dragon. Come in, come in.